Welcome friends, I am Dr. S. Megla, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadalur. I am already explained my previous video detailed manner for biogas. Now I am going to talk about biogas production. Factors affecting biogas production. Some of your factors affected the biogas production. First one, temperature. Anaerobic digestion can be carried either at mesophilic or thermophilic range. Mesophilic range 30 to 42 degrees Celsius. Thermophilic range 43 to 55 degrees Celsius. Second one, retention time. Period of time of a given substrate retained in the digester. Thermophilic fermentation gives best yields with less retention time. Third one, pH. Optimum pH range of methanogens is 7 to 8. Fourth one, CN ratio, it's a carbon and nitrogen ratio, is 25 to 30 is to 1 is optimum for biogas production. Fifth one, volatile fatty acid. It is an intermediate in anaerobic digestion process. If the concentration of volatile fatty acid increase, it result in the reduction of pH, thereby finally inhibits the anaerobic digestion process. Concentration of volatile fatty acid should not exist 2000 to 3000 milligram per liter. Sixth one, ammonia. It is formed during digestion process. Protein are the main source for ammonia production. The concentration of ammonia should be kept below 80 milligram per liter. If it exceeds, it leads to the incubations of biogas production. Methanogenic bacteria to highly sensitive to ammonia. Seventh one, macro and micronutrient. Micronutrients such as iron, nickel, cobalt, tin, molybdenum are essential for the growth of microorganism which carries out anaerobic digestion. Macronutrients such as carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur are also need for growth of microorganism. Excess concentration of nutrients, macro and micro, inhibits biogas production. Next, interaction between various microbial groups. First, the complex polymers converted to monomers by hydrolytic bacterium. Monomers converted to propionate and butyrate by acetogenic bacterium. Monomers converted to hydrogen and oxygen by acetogenic bacterium. Propionate and butyrate converted to acetate by acetogenic bacterium. Hydrogen plus oxygen converted to acetate by acetogenic bacterium. Hydrogen plus oxygen converted to methane and carbon dioxide by methanogens. Acetate converted to methane and carbon dioxide by methanogens. Methane and carbon dioxide converted to the biogas. Next, design of digester. A digester is a huge vessel where chemical or biological reactions are carried out. These are used in different types of process industries. Biogas plant has four essential components. First one, digestion chamber. Digester flat bottom covered with dome shaped gas holder. It is constructed in varying size such as 4, 6, 8, 10, 15 and 20 meter cube. Anaerobic digestion takes place in the digestion chamber which is closed airtight. Second, inlet. It is required to feed the organic matter into the digestion chamber. In same cases, it equipped with mixing device which mixes the organic matter with water and finally mixture is added towards the digester. Third one, outlet, it is used to remove the digested organic matter. Outlet level is always lower than inlet level. Fourth one, dome. It is a gas holder which collect the gas produced after anaerobic digestion. When gas is consumed, volume of gas holder decrease. Next, design of digester. The design of digester are divided into three groups. First one, floating gas holder types or Indian types. The size of tank range from 4 to 20 meter cube. Floating drum digester are similar to fixed dome digester, except for the floating drum on the top of the digestion chamber that separate the gas production and collection. This drum can provide gas at a constant pressure and completely prevent methane leak. This image shows that floating gas holder type. This Chinese method or fixed type of digester. Fixed dome digester are composed of a fermentation chamber for anaerobic digestion, feed and digestive pipes, and fixed dome on the top for biogas storage. Underground reactor where gas holder and fermenter are combined. Gas is collected by gas holder, and when pressure of the gas increases, it pushes the digested slurry downward and released through outlet. Chinese system is designed to get good quality manure. This image shows that the Chinese types of the digester. It's a third one for horizontal digester. Substrate is feed at one end and the digester is collected at the opposite end. Next, batch and continuous feeding. Batch and continuous feeding system can be used for biogas production. There are two types, one for batch feeding, next one for continuous feeding. Batch feeding, anaerobic digestion is carried for single batch of organic matter followed by removal of digester. Continuous feeding, gases productions is accelerated by repeatedly or continuously adding the organic waste. Thank you.